Meaning of essay.
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 Essay. An essay is a written composition that presents and supports a particular point of view. The purpose of an essay is to persuade the reader to adopt the author's perspective on a given topic. It typically consists of an introduction, body paragraphs that present the arguments in support of the thesis statement, and a conclusion that summarizes the key points of the essay. Essays can be formal or informal and may be written for academic or personal purposes. They are a common form of assessment in educational settings and can be used to explore and communicate complex ideas and arguments.